Krishna students, today I will show you that how we can disjoin the letter or how we can join the letters. Okay, first I will show you two letters together, then I will show you the big letter. Okay, now let's see. First I am showing you that think bow. Okay, bow. How we can disjoin this letter? How? Say me what it is. Wa. This is wa. Say everyone with me. Wa. How we can disjoin the Varna means Varna Biyajan? How we can do? See, it will be wa. Then you have to give halant. Then o. Now it is wa. Why? Because in every Vyanjan Varna there definitely one Saravarna will be there. Definitely in every Vyanjan Varna there is one Saravarna. Except Saravarna, we cannot say any Vyanjan Varna, or Vyanjan Varna cannot stay without any Saravarna. You can say like this. So in every Vyanjan Varna there is at least one Saravarna, at least O will be there. Okay, so when we will disjoin from one Vyanjan Varna, if we will disjoin this Saravarna, means when we will take out this O from this wa, when we are going to take out this Saravarna from this Vyanjan Varna, it cannot stay. Am I right? So how we can write it? That's why you have to give one halant. If we will disjoin this O, that means Saravarna, not only O, if you disjoin any Saravarna, then you have to give halant in Vyanjan Varna definitely. Okay, now I am showing you another one. See, it is V. What is this? This is V. How we can disjoin? See, first we have to give this halant. Now we have to disjoin. Which Saravarna will disjoin? Say with me. V. So what is the end letter? What we are getting at the end? V. E we are getting the E. That's why E. Here you can say Wa. That's why O. V. That's why E. Now see another. Okay, Po. I am writing Po. Poeri. Now say Pri. What? Pri. So first Po. Poeri. Because we are going to disjoin this Saravarna. Pri. Then it will be Ri. Pri. Understand? Now I am showing you more. Maybe Kha. Akar. Say Kha. So Kha. Then which Saravarna we can disjoin? Kha. Akar. A is there. Kha. At the end we are getting A. That's why you have to disjoin A. So whatever matra will be there, those matra are coming from Saravarna only, na? So they are already joined that Saravarna. That's why you are not getting this O. Matra is there. V. We are getting E. That's why no need to disjoin O. O is not there only because there is E. V. That's why only one Saravarna will be there, na? With one Vyanjan Varna. That's why there is E ki matra. That's why E. E ki matra, that's why E. We have to disjoin E. That's why we are not disjoining O. There is no matra. So no matra, then also there will be definitely Saravarna I told. Then where is the Saravarna? No matra, that's why we have to at least disjoin at least O. That's why O is there. Now I am showing you two things. I am writing saw. You know, this is also saw. Last day I told this is also saw, or this is also saw. That means talba saw. This is also saw. This is also saw. Okay. Now I am telling here that bari ki matra C. Okay, C. How we can discuss disjoin? You have to write first shaw, then halant, then bari e, she. Understand? Because of this bari e, we are writing bari. Okay. Now I am showing you these all are correct things. I am showing. Now I am showing you how it will be wrong. Maybe you are thinking why teacher is teaching us that wrong things. Yes, you have to know at least for these things. You have to know which one is wrong. If you know what is wrong and what is right, then only in exam you will do the correct one. That means right one. You will not touch that portionally which one wrong. So you will not do the wrong. That's why you have to know what is wrong. I am writing ko. Then maybe the simple one I am giving aki matra. Okay. So suppose number 1, 2 students are there. Okay, 2 students. Number 1 student, number 2 student. So 2 students are there. Okay, 1 students are writing like this ko plus a ka, and second student is writing like this ko plus a, because aki matra is there. That's why he disjoined this aki matra and he is writing here. Say me which one is correct and which one is wrong. Say definitely this one is correct and this one definitely wrong. Understand? I'll give this type of question definitely. Remember it. Now I am showing you one more example. Okay. Maybe mo. Okay. I am writing moe aukar. Moe aukar. Mo. Okay. Moe aukar. Now maybe Ram, one student. Ram is one student. He is writing mo plus o ki matra, mo. And Sam, this is second student. He is writing mo plus o, mo. This is also mo plus o, mo. This is also mo plus o, mo. But this is mo plus o. And this is mo plus o ki matra. This is not o. This is o ki matra. Now you say me which one is correct and which one is wrong. Definitely this one is correct and that one is wrong. If you detach from the Vyanjan Varna, if you detach the matra, only matra, then it will be wrong. It will be wrong. You have to detach full Sharavarna, because there is Sharavarna. In every Vyanjan Varna there is Sharavarna, not the matra. Understand? I am repeating again. In every Vyanjan Varna there is Sharavarna. At least one Sharavarna is there in every Vyanjan Varna, but not the matra, not the swar matra. Understand? Sharavarna is there, not the swar matra. ওকে, একটা ব্যঞ্জন বর্ণের সাথে স্বরবর্ণ যুক্ত থাকে, স্বর মাত্রা যোগ থাকে না। एक व्यंजन वर्ण के साथ एक व्यंजन वर्ण के साथ एक स्वर वर्ण जो मतलब ऐड होता है, लेकिन एक मात्रा कभी भी ऐड नहीं होता है। अगर वो ऐड ही नहीं है तो हम डिसजॉइन कैसे करेंगे? इफ़ देयर इज़ नो जॉइनिंग, हाउ वी कैन डिसजॉइन? एम आई राइट? So process is same. If I give this one, you can do this one. If I give this one, you can add this one. If I give this one, see, Bo plus O, it will be bo. That time there will be no halant. Because already added na. That's why no halant. ওটা একবার যুক্ত হয়ে গেলে তার হলন্ত থাকবে না, already added, that's why no halant. Here also I already added, that's why no akar. If I give this side, you have to do this side, and if I give this side, you have to do this side. Now come back to your book, page number 70. Now see your book. Borno biyojanam, that means you have to disjoin the letter. What is written? Bandana. First, you have to do one by one. Very easy. You have to do one by one. First letter, what is there? Wo. See, bo plus o, wo. Then second letter. Before going to second letter, you have to give one more plus. That's why one more plus we are getting. Before second letter, we have to give one more plus. Okay. Then second letter is noe doe together. Because there is noe doe together, now say the letter the, banda, that's why the. So what is the Sharavarna here? O. But we are telling no, do. We are telling like this. If we are telling no, do, then there will be two O. But we are telling the. So how many times we are getting O? The. At the end we are getting only one O. That's why see, first we have to write no halant because it is Vyanjan Varna. That's why no halant. Then the halant. Then at the end we are getting O. That's why O. Understand? Whenever we will get some joining letter, that means Jukta Varna, that time we will write that two letter first, then the Sharavarna. ওকে, যখনই আমরা কোনো যুক্ত বর্ণ পাবো তখন সেই দুটো বর্ণ লিখে নিয়ে তারপর আকার ইকার হস্যকার যাই থাকুক সেটা লিখবো। দ্যাট মিনস স্বরবর্ণটা লাস্টে লিখবো। ওকে, দেন গো টু থার্ড নাম্বার। বিফোর গোয়িং থার্ড নাম্বার উই হ্যাভ টু গিভ ওয়ান মোর আকি মাত্রা। ওকে, নাও সি দ্য থার্ড লেটার no a na. Now see that plus sign, then no a na. Now see everyone, wherever we are getting Vyanjan Varna, you will see we are giving halant there. See, here is halant, here is halant, here is halant, here is halant. But you are not getting halant in o. In o, in a, we are not getting halant. Understand? So we have to give halant only in Vyanjan Varna, not in Sharavarna. But if you forget to give halant in Vyanjan Varna, in this Varna Biyojanam or Varna Sangyojanam, then it will be wrong. So halant is very important part in these things. Whenever you will you want to disjoin or join, definitely you have to give halant. Okay, in where? In Sharavarna or in Vyanjan Varna? Only in Vyanjan Varna, not in Sharavarna. Okay, now see second one, asat, o. Then o, why o only together? Because it is Sharavarna. That's why we no need to write one more o with this. Sharavarna can stay alone. See, it is alone. Then plus. Then second letter sha. So sha plus o. Shai halant because it is Vyanjan Varna. Then tai halant, asat. So tai halant. If it is asata, then there will be one more plus, then o. If it is asata, that means if there will be no halant, then it will be asata. Am I right? Asata. Then there will be to halant, then one more o. Asata. But see the pronunciation asat. Asat. So no o is there. So how we can write? That's why we are not writing o. Asat. If halant is there, that means end. No Sharavarna is there. Halant means no Sharavarna is there. Like phalam. We are telling a phalam. So no o is there. See, Amritam, o moiri, o, we are getting o, mori, mri, to, o, to, then moy halat. That means at the end no o is there, then moy halat. Understand? Now see this one, jo, ya. See, this is also Vyanjan Varna, this is also Vyanjan Varna. Why there is no okar between these two? Definitely there will be okar, na? After the Vyanjan Varna. Teacher told you that after Vyanjan Varna definitely there will be Sharavarna. Then why it is not here? If it is not here, if there is no Sharavarna, then definitely these two Vyanjan Varna you have to add it together. That means these two will be joining later. Okay. See, jo plus ya. See, first letter should be half, second letter should be full. Then jo, ya. Understand? Then o. O means o ki matra. Okay. Then to. Then e. To, e. Then this visarga tihi, jyotihi. Understand? Now go to next page. Now you have to do by your own. Okay, this number 2. This number 1 no need. I am writing no need. Okay, number 1 no need. Now number 2, how you have to do? First letter tho, then o. That means o definitely inside of tho. So tho, we are writing tho. Okay, then ko, again ko. Why ko again ko? No Sharavarna. That means these two will be joining later. Together it should be joined. So koi koi. Let's write koi koi. Adha. First letter should be half. That's why adha ko. Then full ko. Okay. Then u. Just after these two Vyanjan Varna, we are getting one Sharavarna. That is u. That means definitely it will be u ki matra. Okay. So give u ki matra. Now go to this letter, Vyanjan Varna. Ra plus o. That means ra. Okay, ra plus o, ra. Then we are getting ra plus o, ra. Completed. No, it is not completed. See, there is one visarga. That's why if we not give this visarga, then it will be wrong. Thakuraha. You know na this thakuraha. Tha se thakur. Thakuraha. Now see the next one. Ri. First only Sharavarna. So Sharavarna can stay alone. So see, Sharavarna can stay alone. Now sha, e, she. Then this visarga. Ri, she, he. Understand? Now come to third one. Ya, o. So we are writing ya, o, ya. Okay. Then mo, o. Definitely it will be mo. Ya, mo. Then lo, o. Lo, ya, mo, lo. Then last one moy halant. That means if we get any halant at the end, that means that is only the end. We no need to write the any Sharavarna. Moy halant means no Sharavarna is there. Not only moy halant, we are getting halant means no Sharavarna is there. So here is no Sharavarna. So we at the end it will be moy halant like phalam. So yamalam. Understand? Yalam means 2 inch. You know that. You see yamalam. Now see the last one. Jo, o, jo. Okay. Then lo, o, lo. Then po, o. How we can write po? Po. Then o how should write? O ki matra na. This is o ki matra. Jolo po. Then to o. To o. To. Then visarga. Tah. Jalo po tah. Okay, you can say oho. Then it will be easy for you. Tah, jalopotah. Understand? Like this you can practice in your home. And please write this one in your book. I'll send you the picture. Okay.